Hi everyone. I want to talk about a very important topic, and that's about women traders and the number of women that are trading and the number of women that are coming on board. So that's terrific news, but traditionally women have always gone into some very specialized careers. There are women doctors, of course. Now there are women astronauts. Women are undertaking all kinds of new careers and jobs that traditionally were taken over by men. So this video will address that and also perhaps give you a very important question. That is, are women traders better than men? Okay, this is me right here. My name is Martin, and I'm a proud Canadian trader. You can see that down below, and this is the emblem of Canada, or part of the Canadian flag, the maple leaf here. So again, the question that I pose to everyone is for you to consider: are women better traders than men? And hopefully this elicits a very good conversation amongst all the traders out there, and hopefully I'm waiting for your comments to come in after this video. Now, there's a quiet, non-publicized debate on whether men or women are better or make better traders. Okay, so some financial publications, and you can find them online, and other brokers and other experts are saying that women are better than men. Okay, here's the fact. Right now, there are very few women traders, and the fact is that 1 out of every 7 online traders is a female. So that's approximately 12% of all online traders. The rest, of course, are men. Now, what are the possible reasons for this? Well, one of the reasons is that there's an inaccessibility to trading, to the traditional trading financial job markets due to the old boys club. You can see that here. Here's an old picture that depicts basically representation of the old boys club. It's a kind of a famous English expression, okay? And women took jobs traditionally in sales, marketing, and administration, okay? So, however, this is changing. The additional perceived adverse risk for trading made this career choice, that is the career of trading, less desirable for women, okay? And I'll explain a little bit later why men are more adverse to risk. Women are less likely to publicize their involvement in the trading markets. They prefer to keep a low profile, adding to the perception that there are few women traders. Now, the good news is that times are changing, especially for all those women watching this video, okay? The advance of user-friendly software and online trading is helping women become more prominent in the trading markets. Every year, more and more women are exploring and trading and taking advantage of this huge financially rewarding world of Forex trading. Now, you can see here 1 out of every 7 traders is a female. Just a few years ago, it was 1 out of 10. Now, why do I think women are better traders? Okay, well, first of all, to provide some rational arguments as to why women are better traders, we have to go back and understand what raw trading is really about. I mean, raw trading, when you're trading the charts, okay, what's important is that emotion and pain basically take over. Trading is a psychological game. It plays on your mind, okay? And as a teacher here in the Toronto region, here, Toronto, Canada, I know for a fact that I've taught hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people, and trading can be really emotional for most traders, and that's really why 90% of traders do fail. But I believe that women take the idea of emotion and pain a lot easier than men do. Okay, the markets feed on emotions, right? I guess we can all agree on that, or hopefully we all do. The trading markets are intrinsically human, okay? And the roller coaster of the up and down cycles of market price movement plays on our human emotions, right? So again, who is better at maintaining their emotional psyche during periods of, especially during periods of trading losses? Men or women? Who do you think? So these are the reasons why I think women make better traders. First of all, we have a number of reasons. Number one is they possess more discipline than men, okay? Their discipline is what keeps them focused on learning, improving, and ultimately succeeding. By nature, women are maternal and possess the trait to protect. They're not willing to take on adverse risk. They are more cautious and have the ability to control their emotions better. They can control pain better than men and do not allow their trading losses to override their emotional pain. And I can attest to that. I'm not great at my own pain management, but I believe women can control their pain a lot better, and therefore losses. So losses are painful, and I believe women do a much better job than that. Okay, here's the second reason, guys, and everyone watching this video, why I think women do make better traders. Well, they treat trading and their goals as a long-term commitment, right? So goals are important when it comes to learning Forex trading, and you have to have goals if you know where you want to go and what you want to do with Forex. So as a long-term commitment, women do a much better job than that. Because of their lower risk tolerance, they are willing to work hard and succeed with the idea that they will be successful one day. They're more realistic in their values and do not regard trading as a get-rich-quick opportunity like men often do. Here's the third reason. Women tend to get together to form trading groups. Together with others, they can provide a source of learning, camaraderie, and friendship in a very private and lonely career. They create their own girls' club and are open to inviting others to join them. I know this here in the Toronto area and with my own traders that several women are trying to and have formed together some groups where they do get together and go over their trading. Okay, here's a great one. This is number 4, and I can attest to this during my own teaching experience, teaching live and in classroom here in Toronto. Women keep their egos in check, okay? And their egos are less than their men counterpart. You won't find a lot of women traders in unproductive trading sites, forums, signal sites where men dominate and usually boast about their #1 huge winning trade. Hey, like hey, take a look. I did this I got in the Australian USD and I made so much money. Wow, I can't believe it. So this is what men do. And also they talk about their amazing trading strategies. But you know what they don't talk about that much? Not their small or big losses. They don't talk about their losses. They tend to just focus on their wins, okay? Men want to show off everything, and you can see that right here. They want to show off their large trading screens, their multiple trading screens, their websites, their Twitter feeds, and blogs, and so on and so forth. Women just don't do this. Okay, here's number 5, the number 5 reason why women do a lot better than men when it comes to trading. They can control their success a lot better than men, okay? Now, I didn't talk about their emotions. I talked about controlling their success, okay? What they learn and earn to better the lives of their families with more inward pleasure, okay? Men want to over-exaggerate and boast about their successes, often leading to false hope and despair. Okay, number 6, okay? 6th reason. Women will generally ask for more help in order to stay the course, okay? Their journey is long-term. Remember that. Their journey is long-term. Most men, they want to trade short-term, shorter time frames. They want to make big bucks now. So women, they're not looking for immediate riches. They do a better job at listening to advice and are more patient to the markets for best setups regarding the rules within their trading plan. Women ask for help right away. Think of the analogy of being lost on a car trip, right? If they're lost on a car trip, they're going to stop quickly at a gas station or stop anyone on the side of the road looking and asking for directions, okay? They don't want to waste any more time and see asking for help not a sign of weakness. Generally, men tend to wait a lot longer. They make a lot more mistakes in the beginning, and they just don't want to ask for help in the beginning, right? So I know this for a fact because the number of emails that come in, most are from women and not the men, okay? So men, like again, they tend not to seek advice right away unless they're absolutely desperate. Okay, this is huge as well, okay? Women will start trading with small accounts, much smaller than men start with. Men will often start with $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 accounts, where women are a lot more cautious, and they're only going to open up small accounts in the beginning and see how well their trading works. Now, I want you to recall the famous tale of the tortoise and the hare. If you don't know about it, then Google this, tortoise and the hare, and it's a famous race. It's a famous race between the rabbit or the hare, right here you can see, and the turtle. And guess who won the race? So again, you'll have to go and research this, and it's a very important lesson for all you men out there. Now, with women, when they start with their small accounts, their initial returns are small but steady. Now remember, caution, slow and steady is best. Women don't rush into trades. They are more interested in overall profitability that is consistent to their overall plan. Women also trade less than men. On average, men trade 45% more frequently than women. Women focus their energy where it counts. Okay, this is number 8, and if you're still with me, hopefully you guys are understanding the difference between men and women traders, and you can form your own opinion. I love to hear your comments at the end of this video. Please do write them in, okay? Send them to me. Now, number 8, women want simplicity and shortcuts to trading, okay? They look for innovative, simple solutions. They're much more visual than men and are open to seeking creative and colorful charts that make trading strategies much easier to understand. They just want to get at it and start trading. Men, on the other hand, okay, they tend to overcomplicate trading. They want to learn and become experts at charting analysis, patterns, strategies, and so on, right? Men want to learn everything, okay? And you know who you are, okay, when you're watching this video. You know what you do, and if you're overcomplicating the trading process. Men want to show off what they know. They let their egos get the better of them, right? So back to egos again. Women have less egos. Men have more egos. They want to show off what they know. Okay, here's the final word. Since a huge arena for online trading is done from home, right? Most people who are trading doing it from home, not from an office. Women are being unacknowledged, okay? Their presence is low key, and they're less likely to voice their work and achievements to people outside of their immediate families. Now, this is a real problem for attracting more women to this enormous and profitable field. So women, they're working from home just like the men when it comes to trading, but they're not as noticeable as men, and they're not eager to boast about what they're doing. Maybe just within their family members, but they may not share all that information to their friends and people at work. Okay, I do want to mention here that we need more women, definitely so, okay? Now, the real reason is we want to effectively balance the competitive Forex trading world, right? The male traders, and I'm part of the male trader population, can learn from them, okay? So, basically, it's a message here. Please tell your women friends, neighbors, and co-workers about the terrific opportunity that Forex offers. So, for all the people out there watching this video, and hopefully you've stuck right to the end here, especially the women, I have a brand new course called ABC Forex. It's the Absolute Beginner's Course. And it is absolutely fantastic. And I say it's a beginner's course, but you know what? I actually have a lot of experienced traders taking this as well. So it's really for experienced and beginners, for everyone who's been struggling to make Forex successful for themselves. Okay, so if you want free information, all you have to do is send me an email to mskyj007@gmail.com. Okay, to show you how easy trading can be, I want you to look at this chart. If you can understand this chart, then you will be able to trade and start making money. So take a look, guys. Here is my entry right over here. Okay, the color change from pink to green. I have a nice candle right over here, or a nice price bar. These are the reasons why you can be confident. First of all, the candle breaks above the green line. We have green over here, green over here. So you can see it's all color coded, okay? And it makes trading very, very easy. It's stress-free trading the ABC Forex way. And you can see by entering a trade right there, taking it all the way up right here, this is where you close the trade. And guys, you could have made an awful lot of money in just 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So each bar here, each price bar was 1 day's worth of trading. So in 4 days, you would have closed the trade with a huge profit. If you can understand this chart, again, there's no reason in the world why you shouldn't contact me. I'm going to show you a really simple way to trade, and you can make a lot of money. So finally, cheers everyone. Thanks for watching this video right to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you click on the like and comment button, okay? And you got to click on the bell to make sure you get all my future videos right to your inbox. So take care. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you in the next video.